PeopleFinders is people's search company, providing individuals with various types of public records that will allow them to obtain contact information from most private citizens in the United States. It offers background checks, criminal records, and a variety of other public records related to marriage, divorce, birth, death, bankruptcy, and property ownership. It also has a reverse phone lookup service that allows users to find people or businesses behind unknown phone numbers. If you do not wish to keep your information from them, you must submit an opt-out form on PeopleFinders' website to remove your data from their database. Your removal request may be processed in up to 7 days. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this on their website. First, go to peoplefinders.com. Enter your name, city, and state, then click the Search button. Find the matching result, right-click on the name of the profile and click Copy Link Address. Then, go to PeopleFinders' opt-out page and click Next. Paste the URL link you copied and your email. Answer the CAPTCHA, then click the Send Request button. Check your email and follow the opt-out link from PeopleFinder to finish the removal process. Finally, you'll be redirected to the confirmation page. If you don't have time to do this and need assistance, just contact us and we will certainly help you. Visit us at deletemyinfo.com for more information.